Hi, I'm Laz, and this is working on my own. What we have here is a pulley puller for a GM style pump. I guess they use these on Chryslers as well. This is the original pump that is no good. And this right here is the new pump that I got from Rock Auto. You're probably wondering why I'm working out of my tailgate when I am capable of working on my own garage, but as you can see, I have too much. This thing's toast. It's playing it. It's like super free. Hope this thing can be reused for 7,000 RPMs. I am planning on reusing it. I'll never see a day off the limiter. Next step is cleaning all that crap off with some of that purple stuff. Well, the directions say you have to use rubber gloves. Can't tell me what to do. Avoid direct contact, yada yada yada. Ain't nobody got time for that. I mean, I guess we all die of something, right? Cancer, who cares? Alright, now we're gonna paint it with this can of mystery paint. I think it's pink. Not sure yet. So since I'm painting outside, I guess I should make sure where the wind's blowing so I don't get overspray on my truck or my lady's car or anything, huh? I think it's blowing that way. All right, here we go. Oh, guess it's black. It's not pink. What a bummer. All right, 5 minutes after we have rattle canned this, and we have no time to spare, as we cannot wait for the paint to dry. I don't think that was a requirement anyway. So here we go. I think it goes like this. Please. And right on time, my lady comes to interrupt. Why? All right. Back it goes. Had to use the old expansion wrench because if I search for the correct one in my toolbox, it'll take me another 3 to 4 hours, and fuck. We really don't want that. So I want my $32 for my rental tool here. Oop. What did I just do? Did I break something? Give me an excuse to get a billet one. Woo. Ugh. God, it's scary. Who does this for a living? What's going on, guys? So a little bit that I couldn't film was the car getting done with the power steering pump swap. The first pump that I tried, the one I showed in the earlier video, broke because I'm an idiot and I tried pressing it the wrong way when the pulley wouldn't go further in, so I had to order another one. I ended up buying a cheap one from Advanced Auto Parts, and I threw it in and it seems to be working just fine. It was a reman, it was a quick, cheap fixer-upper, and got that out of the way. So now I'm loaded up, and today's the event day. And right now I am headed to Freedom Factory for their first drift night. Fellas, we have arrived at the Freedom Factory.
McDonald's?
No, bro. What are you talking about?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh. Spread out. I hear a supercharger.
You got any ideas for something?
I just want to be like Zach.
Why did you loosen it up and shit started
So,
going
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
This side I smacked the curb.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
And I replaced the parts that I thought were damaged.
And it's always
But now that I've been adjusting the coilover, it looks like a bit.
Yeah. Zero attention.
It's always I don't pay attention to those.
all right, Les. Get over here. Give me some pipe dreams right now.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans. I'm running a Home Depot special with the self tappers.
Sign up for your own.
I stole this off of my door.
The lips.
What happened was, I had a grinder and then I just started cutting, and I cut a little bit too much.
It's kind of shaped like something that you wouldn't really.
Yeah, so I didn't even work it down. I just actually cut.
Oh my God. Wait, let's get the inside.
Are you gonna too rough?
Sparko,
I think it's fine later.
not Sparko.
No, because these are conservative.
No carriage bolts, just regular bolts.
Color match though.
Yeah, with a Sharpie. Check this out. Mishimoto.
Oh, cooler.
Yeah.
Gotta stay cool for the girls.
Ooh, yeah, I know, dude. Don't tell my girl that. Get out of the way, Ty. Jeez.
Stop the video.
Nico, the savage guy.
Dude, I don't even know if I'm driving today.
You might be. Because you're awesome and we love you.
I know, honestly, hopefully.
Bro, that's the clearest windshield I've ever seen.
Dude, go sit in it. Go sit.
It's like, look how... Damn, it's like nothing's there.
We're about to get silly, boys. God bless America. Let's go, lads.
Using every bit of angle he's got. All right, bro, you're clear.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, lads.
Alright guys, here I am, Freedom Factory. I did 2 runs, one of them was okay. The other one I got real comfortable and I came in really hot. E-brake started giving me some problems, so I ended up a little bit on the grass on the last turn. Was in second gear mostly. It got a crap ton of speed, and shortly after I started hearing some weird noises, so I stopped the car and made sure everything was fine. After going through it, I ended up seeing a little puddle on the ground, and it turns out that my oil cooler is leaking a little bit, so I'm gonna let the car cool off and hopefully I can get it sorted out, maybe get a couple more laps in. and we'll see. That's it for me. A couple of runs and I'm headed home. Hopefully next event I don't suck as bad. Trying to fix this bad boy up.